In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove clouds from your footage right inside of Adobe After Effects. So let's get right into it. So once you've got After Effects open and you have your footage imported, we are now ready to begin with this effect. So we first want to begin by analyzing the footage, and to do this we want to throw on 3D Camera Tracker. So in Effects and Presets we'll search for 3D Camera Tracker and we'll drop that onto our footage. Now the computer will take 2, 3, 4 minutes to analyze the footage, wait for this to complete analyzing, and as soon as this is finished, you'll notice all of these different tracking points have been generated. Now if you scroll your mouse around the screen in between all of these different tracking points, you'll notice this red target appears. And now it's your job to go through all of these different tracking points, all of these different targets, and select a target that is closest to the sky. So as you can see over here on the right of the crane, we have this red target that we can select. So I'm going to right click this and we'll select create null and camera. And as you can see, that's going to generate a new null object and a new 3D camera. So basically whatever we drag into the sequence, if we parent that to the null object, it will follow the movement of the camera, which is really cool. So from here we'll go back into our project window and we'll just grab this screenshot of some clouds onto our composition. And then we'll convert this layer into a 3D layer. So we'll select the box that says 3D, and then we can just decrease the scale and move this into position. Now from here, obviously this looks really ugly at the moment, so we just want to go ahead and change the blending mode. So we're going to change the blending mode from normal to screen, and that looks a lot nicer, although we can still see the dark edges of the photo. So we're just going to go up to the pen tool on the top bar of After Effects, and we're just going to draw a mask around our cloud layer. And as soon as you've done that, we can go into the mask itself, and we're just going to increase the feathering to get rid of that hard, disgusting edge. So pull the feathering all the way up to around 100, 200%. And if we watch the footage back, that looks really, really nice. However, though, you can see that the clouds are overlapping the buildings and the crane on the right of the frame. So I'm just going to go in and adjust the mask and make sure that the clouds are not touching the building and the crane. And as soon as I've done this, if we increase the feathering one more time, and now when we play this back, you can see that there are now clouds perfectly tracked to our footage. It's following the shake of the camera. It's following the camera's movements. That is how you add clouds to your footage right inside of Adobe After Effects. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Thank you for watching.